Hey everyone, it's the Eurobandit here. I'm in the garage where the Corsa sits, as you can see. Here it is. It's obviously night time, it's about 7 o'clock. I'm gonna do a cold start. Been sitting in here for, I don't know, about a week or more, I guess. The last few days were kinda cold. There were a few minus degrees out there and all that bullshit. There were days when the temperature was around minus 5 degrees Celsius during daytime and about minus 9 to 10 during nighttime, so it kinda set a good few cold days and hasn't been started ever since. So without further ado, the light's on, so that's a good sign. The battery is obviously good enough. I heard it's kinda not that old, so should be great. Temperature is about plus 2 or 3 degrees Celsius, so get a few pumps. Don't think it's necessary, but oh well. And now let's see how it starts, because it doesn't run properly anyway, but I'm curious myself. Not a problem. Doesn't idle as it should. Alright, last choke. Obviously, the exhaust needs to be either fixed or completely replaced. I'll take care of that later on, obviously. Just let it run a bit. Almost. Kinda runs. Yep. See, my foot is not on the pedal, which is a great sign. Not bad. Now I release the choke. Won't give it way too much gas, as you can see. Not that it's too cold, but I take care of it. Well, it kind of runs now. That's great. Let's pop the hood. Fuck. Here's the small 1.2 liter engine. I thought my A4 Corsa would be the only classic car parked in the garage, but I was kinda wrong, because there's another car in here. It's a Volvo 480 Turbo, as you can see. Looks like it's in okay condition. I like the color. Has obviously some rust, but yep, two classic cars, right? How cool is that? All the other ones are modern junk. But anyway, that was a cold start of my 1984 Opel Corsa with the 1.2 liter engine. Hope you like this video. If you did, why not? Thumbs up, check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!